Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making one of my childhood favorites, tuna casserole. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 20 ounces of tuna, 2 10.5 ounce cans of cream of mushroom soup, 1/2 cup of onion, 1 12 ounce can of evaporated milk, 3 cups of frozen petite peas, 12 ounces of egg noodles, 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2½ teaspoons of salt. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to a pot of water, then bring to a boil. Now add the noodles and cook for 6 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 6 minutes, turn off the heat, then drain your noodles. Now transfer your noodles to your baking dish, then add your peas, mushroom soup, and tuna. Now season with your garlic powder, your remaining salt, and pepper. Add the onions and evaporated milk, then mix well. Transfer to your preheated oven and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. Add the melted butter to the breadcrumbs, mix well, then set it aside. After 30 minutes, remove your casserole from the oven, then evenly sprinkle your breadcrumbs on top. Increase your oven temperature to 400 degrees. Return the casserole to the oven and allow it to cook for an additional 5 minutes, then it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.